Hi, it's Kyle Chester Marsden from Fieldpiece Instruments. Today I would like to share some information with you regarding our SC680 electrical clamp meter. Now, did you know that the SC680 has a dual temperature thermometer built in? Now, included in the box are two of our K-type thermocouple bead tips, which can be used to measure liquid, air or surface temperatures. Once connected to the tool, the temperature measurements can be viewed right on the large screen of the meter, or alternatively, you can connect the meter to our JobLink application on a mobile or tablet device and record and log the measurements from up to 300 meters away. So this means that not only can you take your electrical measurements, but you can also utilize the tool for temperature measurement, allowing you to take air on and air off readings, or even assist in calculating subcooling and superheat measurements, making your job easier, faster and better. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for more great videos.